Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about Laravel 8 middleware. So how Laravel 8 middleware working. So let's start. So I have already installed in my system Laravel 8. So if you don't know how to install Laravel 8, you can check out my previous video. I have already done it. And here we have the web.php, which is route, and we have here middleware, which is check edge. So here what we're doing here, just a basic simple I'm going to explain you. So suppose we have the admin. If anyone hit in URL using get method admin, then we're checking basically middleware, we have the check edge. So how we can create basically this middleware, I have run this command php artisan make middleware check edge. Okay, so here we have created this one. Once I have created this one, so let me show you check edge. Here by default these are coming from the, here I have applied the some code. Suppose if age is greater than, any request are coming and age is greater than, then we are redirecting welcome page. Otherwise we are redirecting here, basically we're not doing anything here. So we can perform like this kind of operations. Also if you want to using middleware like authentications purpose, suppose if user have logged in something, then you want to redirect somewhere, okay, in dashboard something. If I'm putting username and password correct, so you can redirect in dashboard. If anything is wrong, you can redirect again the same page with alert message something. So you can do some kind of activities in here. Suppose here we have already installed, so you can check in future if you want. So you can check for each loop we are doing here, some authentication redirectory. So here I'm going to show you some basic example right now here. So look here. So we are I just run this command basically php artisan make middleware and check edge. So okay, so then we are redirecting here inside the welcome.php. If you don't want, so we can also create different middleware. So here I am going to type here php artisan make middleware. So here I am going to check gender, check gender. Okay, so we have right now check gender also. Look here, we have check gender basically here. So what I am going to here check here, I am going to check here, I'm going to put here one request. Okay, so request like this one, if request are coming gender something, okay, gender, then and we're going to check gender is male or female something. Okay, then we are redirecting 1 second. If gender is male, then we redirecting return return view. Here we can load or we can redirect basically. Suppose we have welcome page, so here we can check, here we have already redirecting. So if you want to load something, you can load, otherwise we can, I'm going to redirect basically here. So here I'm going to redirect inside of the welcome page, not welcome page, basically this is route basically we have created here. And otherwise sorry, let me check, here we have the mail request, otherwise we are redirecting. Then what we need to do here, I'm going to here inside of the our middleware sorry package, we need to here routes, and we have this folder basically app http middleware, and here you can put your middleware name. So I'm going to put here check gender, let me correct this one, check gender. So we have right now check gender. Here we can use like this one, same route I'm going to use here, and just put here the middleware and middleware name. We have check gender and here class name, that's it. So now I'm going to check. So here if anyone hitting in URL basically, let me check gender, check all. Okay, I'm going to hit URL check, and also you need to pass get or post method something. So I'm going to pass here get method, which is gender equal to male. Look, we are directly inside of the welcome page. So this is working fine. Again I'm going to show you, check gender, sorry, again this is redirecting again. So hope so. If you want to more about the middleware, you can also check from the description area middleware. So here you can apply before and after middleware. This is from the Laravel tutorial, so you can check here. We have the creator check, and if you want to before something, so you can apply here, and if you want to after something also, you can use after. So we have the multiple things is here. If you want to assign middleware in routes also, you can put here also inside the app HTTP kernel. So you need to pass path here, so you can assign here. I'm going to show you, let me show you. Inside of the kernel you can put here. Okay, yes, we need to put here inside of the route middleware, which is this one. Here we're going to pass here like this one. We can write here like this one. Let me write that here, gender. I'm going to put here gender something, this one. So once you put it here as a gender something, this one, then you need to pass the particular name of the gender here only. Yes, like this one. We don't need to write this one. Like this one you can pass also middleware as a gender. Look, we have this one. Okay, so now kernel, sorry, inside of the kernel we need to put here route middleware. Basically here we're going to put here inside of the route middleware, which is already appended here gender, and here you don't need to write here. Okay, so we can put like this one. Thank you for watching this video.